By now, we are all aware that Donald Trump's attempt to fix the not broken reflecting pool at the National Mall in D.C. was just the latest clusterfuck in a long line of them. Trump exceeded his original $2 million renovation budget with a $14 million no-bid contract handed out to this guy, J.J. Cafaro, a Mar-a-Lago neighbor with bribery and finance court convictions who has donated hundreds of thousands of dollars to the Trump Victory Fund while looking like a Dick Tracy villain. Appropriately, Cafaro's company is called Green Water Solutions, and this might explain why the patriotic blue paint job inside the reflecting pool has produced a ton of green algae and red faces. While Donald Trump is blaming radical woke lefty commie algae Antifa members, the internet continues to educate about basic chemistry, and it also amuses itself and the rest of us with its mountain of memes. So, for your entertainment, here are just a few of the gems found online this week.